specify treatment for them. We are going to circulate their names as people who want to destroy Igbo land. Because if they want to build Igbo land, they should come. All of us are building Igbo land. If they want to build Igbo land, I heard one of them say that even that the money that we're collecting from we're using it to build market. I mean, it looks silly because the markets Ohaneze is building is being built. We have a business group. It's being built by Igbo businessmen, but Ohaneze is linking them with traders and who are to come to buy the shop and they work, bring their goods to this. This funding is by Igbo businessmen. So they say that the money we are taking from Nigeria was to fund it, and we are using it. That we said we have an office in Abuja with all sorts of stupid stories. So, I mean, it's a painful thing. So I just want to let you know that this meeting today, I've resolved that enough is enough. We are going now to recommend to Imobi that these people must be seriously disciplined, sanctioned according to Igbo custom and tradition. That is one. Number two, the meeting also resolved that that it is clear that these people may not be working alone. The NEC believe that there may be enemies of Igbo land who are funding them and sponsoring them, because we don't believe this thing is. So they believe that a committee should be set up to investigate this matter. We are going to set up a committee of NEC that will investigate this matter to get facts. For example, a letter they wrote purported to have been written by Nigeria and so on. We will get the facts. When we get the facts, if actually it was a letter from Nigeria, we'll let you know. Otherwise, we'll eventually let the press know. But I can tell you that that thing was forged. If an Igbo son will go and forge a letter just to bring down John Wodo, to bring down Obiozo, prominent Igbo sons, I think we are in danger. All of us are in danger. So we have decided too that we are going to have a meeting with our Khan, our bishop and religious body. That the problem in Igbo land now is getting much, and we